Hello and good afternoon. I am dressed and ready for a walk, but Olivia's in the bedroom laying on the bed. It's all she's wanted to do so far today. I hate to get her out of bed because she looks so comfortable, but want to go on a walk? You got out of bed fast. Yeah, you do. You haven't been on one in a while. Let's go. Made it out, but it is super wet and muddy out here. I didn't realize it would be this muddy and wet after it snowed. And Olivia, see, I'll show you. Here's the road, and we're not walking on the road. We're walking next to it because there's just huge puddles, and Olivia just wants to go onto the road, so I'm constantly having to pull her closer to me so she doesn't get into the puddles and the mud and everything. She's not breaking me the whole way. Why? See? Oh, see? She's just on the muddy road. Well, it's okay right there. That's not too bad. Home now and changed. Movie magic. Well, Liverpool will be playing Manchester City. That should be good, I hope. I've been wanting to tell you this all day, but early this morning when I took Olivia out, there was like this stick and she saw it and she I don't know, she was like playing with it, and then she picks it up, walks over to me, and then drops it. I mean, I wasn't really far away from her, but she picked up the stick. I couldn't believe she did that. Like, she wanted to play with the stick, and then she picked it up. It was just shocking to me. In Colorado, she would sometimes play with sticks, but actually they were more like branches. Like if they fell, she would like pick it up and carry it around the yard and just be really goofy with it. But I've never seen her do that before, right? Like it was just very, very unexpected. So yeah, I wanted to share that story with you, and yeah. I'm still a little confused about it because she just doesn't pick up things with her mouth. I know that's what dogs do, but she just doesn't do it. I was just editing yesterday's vlog and I didn't say goodnight, so I'm going to now, or at least say goodbye, and start today's vlog. So goodbye, and now is today's. It gets confusing